Today at Mullin Machinery we have a Harig 612 hand-feed surface grinder. Wired for 230 volt 3-phase, or low voltage, 208, 230 3-phase. These machines are not easily rewired 460 unless you change the switch, because the switch has a built-in circuit breaker. All original paint. Got the books in the cabinet there. Some miscellaneous, something in there. Paint's in pretty good shape. Minor paint wear right on the front of the saddle. There's about 12 thousandths backlash on the in and out screw. Walker fine pole magnetic chuck. I guess the automatic oiler was giving them problems, so they took it off and put a hand pump oiler on the side. But it works well. They just put a plastic bottle in the back to catch the oil as it runs through, and either dump it or pour it back in the top if it's clean. The spindle's pretty good. Put the spindle on for you. This machine has the hardened tool steel ways, and it's a cable drive on the table, not a gear. I know the cameras tend to amplify the sound. Let me tighten this cover. It'll probably help too. But spindle sounds decent. You can check this machine out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.